In this week's episode, we are giving you an ultra-exclusive look at what $39 million buys you at the Trump International Hotel and Tower. The tower was built in 1970 and rises to a height of 583 feet. It's located directly overlooking the iconic Columbus Circle and the southern points of Central Park. Now, the lower portion of the tower is used as a hotel, while the upper floors are for sale as residential condos. On in to number 47 BC. Now this was actually 2 units combined to one huge apartment. It has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. It's just over 6,300 square feet, and the owners have actually never lived in here. So they got the place, 3-year renovation, and then decided they didn't want it. So this is a pristine, never before ever been lived in apartment, and we are the first ones to show it here on YouTube. So with that entryway, awesome light fixture overhead. We're gonna start off to the left here, and wait till you see this. The apartment just opens up to what we saw down below here in the great room. Just billionaire's row right in those floor to ceiling glass windows. Let's actually go right to the views, because that is, in my opinion, it's one of those apartments where it's so serene and you're above all the chaos. So let's just break down these views really quick. Looking directly to the east, you get your sunrises. I actually came here at sunrise. Just look at these beautiful shots of this space as the sun's coming up over the Atlantic, Central Park getting illuminated. You can see all of Billionaire's Row, all your millionaire, or I should say billionaire friends over there. And then even if you look to the south here, we have a southern exposure where you have One World Trade Center perfectly positioned in between those 2 buildings. And then you can actually see Columbus Circle right down below you. Let's head back into the apartment. And off of the great room, this is your study area. Very minimal, sophisticated, and modern, with this desk overlooking Central Park. You can even see the Queensboro Bridge right in the distance. Again, Billionaire's Row, and facing east, you get all that natural light in the morning to really start the day and have that invigoration. Back out into the main entrance area, I want to point out the floors below us. These are chevron floors made from European oak. Just the craftsmanship is everywhere you look, even the molding along the floors and the ceilings. Off of the entryway, we now go to the heart of the home. And again, I love how you have the option here to close this off or keep it open concept. And I really like how we move from the pastels on the walls now to all this custom white oak millwork here. This is actually a chef's kitchen, the laundry room, so if you wanted to have a big event, it's all behind this door here. We're gonna keep that shut for now and make our way into this awesome kitchen. You have dual of everything. It's Sub-Zero and Gagano as far as the appliances. Seating for 10 at your dining room table, right next to this elongated island with Italian marble, waterfalling down to those white oak floors. And then again on the backsplash here, that Italian marble on the backsplash and the countertop, with the shelving even built out of marble. The vent is even marble. Just the level of perfection here, I've seen a lot of places, and this kitchen is one of the nicest. We have a little media center here. You could call this the family room, right off of the kitchen dining room. And I would spend most of my time in this area of the apartment just because it has that warm feeling with the wood on the walls and the light from the east. Another cool thing is here in this little media section, these couches are custom built in to divide the space, which I really like, because you can see the kitchen area, but it is that nice piece of division. And I want to point out this, you've got your hidden powder room, and you have that same Italian marble that you have in the kitchen on that island for the vanity here. Just very minimal, very clean, very 2022, 23, 24. I love when there's a renovation and it's a longer one. This took 3 years and the style fits now. It's not dated. And this is a very timeless renovation in my opinion. You can just tell the space it's eloquent, it's modern, it's sophisticated. So moving back into the entryway, we're gonna check out the first bedroom. Now here we have your western exposure. Again, I love the paint palette in here, nice turquoise blue color. And these guest bedrooms are, in my opinion, very large, and you have those views again of the Hudson River looking out into New Jersey. These also all are ensuite bathrooms, and this one is beautiful. You have that same color with the subway tiling in the shower here, all these brass fixtures, built-in LED lights on the vanity, super aesthetic. Your closet space off to the right, additional closet off to the left. And now making our way into the living quarters of the home, I want to show off this powder room. Check this out. Custom wallpaper here, separate area for the water closet, and that same Italian marble in the kitchen in this powder room. Even with these cool, funky lighting fixtures on the walls. I also dig this. You have this frosted glass door closing off the living quarters from the public space of the home. These are very sturdy, very industrial. I think that's a nice touch, goes with the whole theme. You've got another bedroom off of this main hallway. And heading into this second guest bedroom, we have custom French wallpaper. Again, those views to the west, Hudson River, off into Jersey here. We've got a nice desk stage in this one. I do want to point out as well that all of the door handles in this apartment were artisanally made and they all match. And also in every bathroom, the marble is a different type of marble. This one's a bit brighter, a bit more airy. Same LED light fixtures built in. Heading back out into the hallway, we have another guest bedroom. I'm gonna show you off to the right here. Sticking with that pastel color palette, this is staged as the kids' room. And now we even have a southern exposure with that western exposure. So yet again, another corner room here in this apartment. I want to point out again, every bathroom has different marble. Here we have this turquoise marble to match the paint on the walls with those brass fixtures. There's really nice specific touches in every single bathroom. So then heading back out to the hallway, this is the fourth bedroom, and this is the junior master suite. So this in most apartments would be considered a primary master suite, but this is just the junior. So you have the bed space, again, with those views to the south. Now you have One World Trade Center perfectly in view here in this junior primary, with those views looking down below of Columbus Circle, down 8th Avenue, and this little seating area, I love that. I'll show you the bathroom in here, it's pretty spectacular. Wow, this is actually my first time stepping in this bathroom. We now have this pink coral marble here. The vanity is floating with a dual vanity, and that marble is actually dividing the space from the sink area back to this beautiful marble enclosed shower with a seat right here. Wow, I've never seen marble like this. Comment below if you know this specific type of marble, but I've never seen a bathroom with this color palette before. I want to point this out as well. All the closets are seamlessly built into this wall here with those custom handles. Again, this is all just storage space. I think that's a very smart way to have closet space in a bathroom, just blends right in. And then also at the corner, you have your water closet. But now for the true primary suite, back out into the hall. This is, actually we'll show you the closet first. This is the closet in the owner's suite. Decent sized walk-in closet, all custom LED lights built in. There's brass fixtures, massive mirror here and here, so you can check out your outfit before you head out to Central Park. And now, I keep saying now we're gonna see it, but now we're gonna see the bathroom in here, saving the best for last. Look at this. Marble soaking tub with a view of One World Trade Center from your bathtub. I have never seen have you ever seen a marble soaking tub? I mean, this is sturdy. That's sexy. Dual vanity with that marble, with the floating vanity, brass fixtures, beautiful oval mirrors here, built-in light fixtures. I mean, this bathroom is just, the view of the World Trade Center in the bathroom, Towel drying racks. You also have a steam shower here with that marble. I love how every single bathroom, I've said this now like 3 times, every bathroom has different marble. And then you have a tinted glass door for your water closet, which actually has a bidet. Get a peek of that. I feel like that's a kind of a dying thing. You don't really see bidets anymore in apartments, but you have one in this one. Keeping that shut, we will now, finally, the best for last. Welcome to the primary suite, owner's suite bedroom in this penthouse here in Trump Tower. You really need your sunglasses in here, or you can shut your shades. These are custom Belgian curtains here. You have your king size bed front and center with a view to the south as well. You can now see Hudson Yards. And again, those just beautiful views of Central Park. I want you to comment down below, do you think it's worth it? And what was your favorite part of this one-of-a-kind apartment. I hope to see you in the next video. I wish you well watching this, and with that, I'll see you in the next episode.